Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and I guess it really wasn't appropriate for me to shoot my first video and it not be a Huawei video, right? Because everybody in the techosphere has deemed me to be a Huawei warrior. Hold on. Let me correct that. I am not a Huawei warrior. I might claim the title to be funny, but let's be real. I mean, I use various other devices. So to say, hey, I'm a Huawei warrior, just because I own a couple of Huaweis, I don't know if that'd be a true statement. Huawei. I have been deemed Huawei Queen, Huawei Expert, Huawei Connect, Huawei. Waterfall display, one button on the side, and that's the power button, and it brings your phone to life. There you go. This bad boy here has a regular set of buttons. There's that colorful red one there, but the regular volume rocker. Launcher here, no launcher there, only because this phone is now sold. I am using old devices. I am using 2018 devices. I am using 10X Max, or whatever you want to call it. And I am using the Mate 20X. I owned 10 phones last year. Yes, 10, using all of my fingers. And to say I'm carrying 0 of those right now, of the 10 I bought last year, that makes you go, why'd you buy all those phones? This is what you came for. You want to know why I'm going to pick this older phone over the new, right? Right. Why I'm picking the Phantom Silver over the Space Silver that changes colors. I have put skin on both of these, so they both have a clear carbon fiber skin. I do enjoy that. I mean, it gives it a little texture, but I do rock clear cases. But yeah, they're both silver phones. The Mate 20X is as close to perfect of any phone I've ever owned, and that's personal opinion. I'm not saying it to anybody else. I'm not saying anybody else should go get a Huawei. Like, people like to debate me on the Huawei thing. Why do you like Huawei? Why don't you like Samsung? I carried Samsung for years. I owned the Samsung A80 last year, which was the one with the flippy cameras. I am more attracted to imported phones than anything I can find domestic here in the States. Why is I can get more bang for my buck. I did have to sideload Google Play services over here, but this phone was 2018, so yes, it did come with Google Play services, and they continue to update. I had a update on this phone as recently as 2 days ago, and today is March 22nd, so I got an update on this phone on my son's birthday, which was March 20th. So yes, it's running Android 10, and yes, it gets security updates. So let's squash all of the, oh my god, you can't get an import because it won't have Google Play services. Let's be clear. Huawei is the only company that is banned from using Google Play services, and it's on every phone after the ban, not any phones before the ban. So the only way you will not have Google Play services is if you buy a Chinese variant of a phone instead of getting the global or international version. I have gone back to this phone 3 times. I bought the phone twice. That's a first in life for me. The only other phone that I bought more than one of was the HTC Evo. Shout out to the HTC Evo if you know anything about that. But at the end of the day, Mate 30 Pro, I would have bought it even if I told my past self, hey, you're gonna sell it eventually, I would have still experienced it. I had no desire to update my iPhone, which means I went through 10 Android devices this year, only to come back to the one that I was carrying the previous year. That being said, let's talk about the elephant in the room, which is why no phone last year could satisfy me. I feel like I was constantly chasing a replacement for this phone, and there was nothing out there that would satisfy me like this phone did. And you say, well, what is it about that phone? Okay, well, this is a 7.2-inch display phone with a water drop notch. Like, please disregard all the fingerprints on this phone. Like, I keep handling it, so it keeps getting messier and messier. But I'm like, oh my goodness, like, I'm gonna get the Mate 30 Pro when it comes out, and it's gonna make me happy, and it's gonna give me everything that this phone gave me with better cameras. I've been happy for the past 3 months, and then I came back to my Mate 20X. We could sit here and talk for hours, right? We could sit here and talk about how, hey, it has a 5,000 milliamp battery that's optimized for great performance. We could talk about how it's like, most people think, oh, it's so big. Aren't you a female? Like, where are you putting it? Oh, you just keep it in your purse. You probably don't ever use it. You probably use your iPhone all the time. No, my iPhone is a year old, and the battery health on it is at 97% or 98%. To sit and think about it, it's totally the total package. It's not just the camera. It's not just the battery life. It's not just the screen size. It's all of them. And I have no device that offers me all of these things except for this phone here. So, what is a girl to do? A girl is to keep the phone. So now we bid a farewell to our old friend who we've shared the past 3 months with. Our friend came in on Christmas Eve, spent Christmas with us, and is now leaving during lockdown phase. 2020 March will be known for toilet paper, lockdowns, and just the crazy world we live in. But I will always remember my Mate 30 Pro.
Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing